Two teams with a lot of class, two coaches with a lot of class, Northwest Indy and Green Country, played for the Class A Gold Ball Championship here Wednesday. Northwest Indy's Alex, I hope I get this right, Alex Long, I think, left-hander, very good player, played very well in the win Wednesday. Northwest Indy plays a fast style. They play an exciting style. So does Green Country. In addition to being an exciting and fun team to watch, Green Country does not give up, and they did not give up Wednesday, making not one but two comebacks to force Northwest Indy to make a stop on the final two possessions to earn the gold ball. So congratulations to Will Tolbert and Northwest Indy, and well done to the Green Country Defenders. Two very good programs who I enjoy playing. Right now I'm watching the Storm and Dallas. I'll be back soon with that game report. In the meantime, I will see you in the gym.